Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can blur moving object on CapCut Mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. For example, I'm going to blur this man's face. As you can see that the object is moving, and I'm going to show you how we can blur this moving object. First of all, I'm going to add a blur effect to my video. So I'm going to go to the effect menu, and then I'm going to go to the video effects, and then I'm going to search for the blur effect. Okay, I'm going to use this one guys, and I'm going to add it to my video. Okay, we can make the blur effect align with our video like this, and we're going to duplicate this video. Tap on the video and scroll all the way to the right until you find the duplicate option, this one, and then we can make it as an overlay. Just click on overlay option right here and make the second video align with your first video. Okay, and we're going to put mask to the second video, so you can tap on the second video and scroll all the way to the right again until you find the mask option, this one guys. Okay, and choose the shape of the mask you want to apply. I'm gonna go with the circle mask. Okay, and I'm going to place it right here and adjust the size of the mask according to the object you want to blur, and then I'm going to invert it. Alright, and then to make the mask follow the moving object, we're going to use keyframe. So this is how the keyframe looks like. We're going to use this keyframe to make the mask follow the moving face. Okay, I'm going to click on adjust, and then I'm going to adjust it guys. Wait, I'm going to add keyframe right here, and then I'm going to move the mask like this. We need to adjust it one by one until the rest of our video. Okay, you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. Oops. Okay, I'm just going to make it faster like this. Okay, and I'm just going to stop it guys, because this is just for an example, and let's see the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to blur moving object on CapCut Mobile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.